22 years ago, Dr. Ed Glaser took a leap of faith. He sold his private podiatric medical practice of 13 years and set out to change the way that healthcare providers around the world viewed the mechanics of the foot and show how they might use this information to make their patients better. Dr. Glaser had become frustrated because the orthotics he learned to make in medical school and dispensed in his practice didn't prevent pain or deformities, and the surgeries he was forced to perform to relieve that pain didn't address the underlying causes of his patients' problems. He often saw them again with the same complaints later. Many nights he would tinker in his garage trying to redefine how conservative foot care with orthotics could be improved so he could relieve his patients' pain and they could avoid surgery. Dr. Glaser knew that strong, functional feet are literally the foundation of a healthy body and an active life. He had a vision on how to do things right. If he could fundamentally change how people walk, he could make them better. That became his mission. And so he took that leap. He traded a six-figure income and an office in the wealthiest county in Tennessee for $20,000 a year and a chicken coop in rural Hickman County, and set out to make his dream come true. Sole Supports was born. Today, the professionals and staff at Sole Supports Incorporated are all dedicated to Dr. Glaser's original mission.
We make people better!
We make people better. To accomplish this mission, we at Sole Supports have to do more than what is commonly expected of a custom orthotics lab. First, we have to find the right healthcare providers to dispense our product to you. Providers for whom convenience, perks, and profits aren't as important as doing what is best for their patients. Sole Supports providers are caring, intelligent clinicians that share our mission to make people better. Our certified providers are trained to cast your feet in their ideal foot posture. Then 3D images of your casts are taken and sent to our lab, along with other relevant clinical information. Second, we manufacture true custom orthotics. No part of our technology is pre-made. Your orthotics are fabricated every step of the way using an exact impression of your foot, not some generic pattern or mold. Finally, we are the only lab that actually calibrates our orthotics expressly for each patient's foot. We use a patent-pending device developed in-house here at Sole Supports for this purpose. We calibrate your orthotic down to a tolerance of 0.002 of a millimeter based on your body weight, foot flexibility, and activity level, so that it flexes just enough for the individual impacts and stresses you put your feet through every day. At Sole Supports, we have invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in new independent research to test our theories and results. If there is a better, more efficient, or comfortable way to control and correct a foot, we want to discover and implement it. It's the right thing to do, so we can continue to make a big difference in people's lives and make them better. Contact a certified Sole Supports provider today. You can find one by visiting www.solesupports.com and give your feet that little extra custom spring in their step.